Today's video, I'm going to talk about how I got from this to this. Hello, this is Dan from About That Life in Japan. Thank you for tuning in. On the other side of those mountains, Kobe, and at the top, Arima Onsen, and to the right, Rockwell Mountain. This is the street coming up to my place, and you can see the beast parked in his new home. I love walking up these steps. This is a beautiful view. And this is the new home. I call it the retreat. Welcome. This is prior to any renovations. The previous owners actually lived pretty close by. They just left it as is and they moved into their new home, and this has been sitting empty for a couple years. I love this hallway and the high ceilings are amazing. To the right, that's a shoe closet. We actually had that removed, but you'll see in some of the later videos. On to the bathroom. We had everything taken out of here. This was a pretty traditional style bathroom. Only thing remained the same was the window. How do you like that view of the mountains? On to the master bedroom. This closet was removed, and just like the hallway, the ceilings are just large. More high ceilings, just beautiful. This is also one of my favorite balconies. Not my favorite, but one of my favorites, because it has a beautiful view of the city, Osaka, Takarazuka, and just over the mountain, Kobe. The sunset's right over there. On to our extra room, which I call the Hime-sama room. Again, just massive ceilings. We ended up putting a loft in here as well. Lots of storage space. The closets stayed the same, but we had them redone. On to the living room. Again, I love the ceilings in this whole unit. It's just amazing. Being on the top floor is also a huge bonus. I was really excited and couldn't wait to start enjoying video games, sports, and of course, wonderful movies in this room. When I first saw this, I thought the ceilings was the seller for me. But you can see from the windows, this balcony. And this was a huge selling point for this unit as well. Again, beautiful view of the mountains, and at night, oh my goodness, Osaka never looked so good. Especially being up on this mountain. Let's take a look at the kitchen. We had everything removed, everything taken out, from the floors to the ceiling, tiles. Everything except the windows was removed and replaced. To be honest, before we moved in, we never really paid much attention to this balcony because the living room balcony was so awesome. And of course, the office. This used to be a traditional 8 tatami size room with a pretty low ceiling. I did it. You know, it was not easy. I put that video up on YouTube. I'm out there. Hey, it was pretty fun. I hope you enjoyed that last video. It was, if not my best work, it was definitely my first work. So you can only go up from there, right? Better, better.